Hi everyone, like this makeup look? If you want to see how I achieved this beautiful terracotta orange makeup look, then make sure you keep on watching.
It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who've never seen me before, my name is Lizette. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and free lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Now let's get into this terracotta and orange makeup tutorial that you all requested. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So the contacts that I'm wearing are the Siesta monthly edition gray series. I did a whole review of each of the contacts. The ones I'm wearing are the romance gray. I told you this is one of my favorite lenses, and with this look, it looks so beautiful. So I am wearing the romance gray again. I will link all the videos that I did down below, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Bad Habit Aphrodite eyeshadow palette. Let me see. And I'm going to sweep a little bit of the color Admire. That's kind of like my base. Now prior to this, as you can see, I did my brows, I did my foundation, powder, concealer, all of that. All I did for the eyes is I just put concealer over it, like as my base, and a little bit of powder. I'm gonna also speed certain parts up since it's just gonna be me blending, and you guys no doubt will get the point. Alright, now for the next color, I'm gonna use the color Romance, and for that I am going to use, where's my brush? I have all my brushes like in a bag right here, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to take some of Romance, a very small amount, right here in the middle, mostly, since I already put Admire down. Next, I'm going to go into the Bad Habit Solstice palette, and I'm going to use a terracotta type shade. It's called Earth. I wiped off the rest of the eyeshadow from the color Romance, and then I'm just going to put Earth like right there with it. Now usually with blending, what'll happen is the previous colors will kind of lose their effect, if you will, so you want to just also go back and touch up those colors too. So I'll go back into Romance a little bit. Let's see. From the previous palette, the Aphrodite palette. Touch that up. Wipe it off and then go into Admire, which was the first color. And place that there. Look pretty similar. Now for this edge part here, see how it's dark? I use the color Eclipse. That's also in the Solstice palette. And what I do is I take a napkin. Let me see, use this part in there. And I just hold it up like that. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Eclipse very lightly. And just put it there, pack it there. See? And then it creates that sharp edge, which I love. I love that kind of edge. And then I'll just go and speed up this part where I'm just blending it in. Okay, that looks pretty good. So for this part, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on, and then I'm gonna use the color Helios from this Solstice palette. That's that orange color right there. That's really pretty and bright. Now, my concealer. Did I bring it out here with me? Oh, I left it in the bathroom. Hold on. Now I'm going to use this flat shader brush. I wet it a little bit and I'm going to put the color Helios all over my lid. Alright. Now for the bottom, I'm going to use Eclipse and a little bit of Romance from both palettes on the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to do liner and lashes. I've done a whole video on how I do my liner and lashes. I'll link that also up in the card so you guys can check it out. I'm going to speed that up and then come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so here is the finished eyes. Let me get up close so you guys can see. And now I'm going to zoom you guys back out, finish up my lips, a little bit of highlighter, and I think we will be done. Now for lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop color in the shade Beeper. It's one of my favorites. Let it dry. And I'm gonna put a clear gloss over it. And that is it for this tutorial to bring out these beautiful romance gray contact lenses from colorcl. I will put the link to their website, of course, in the description box down below. Make sure you check them out. Also, check out any of the videos that I did and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe, of course, and let me know what other makeup tutorials you want to see, what other colored contact makeup tutorials you want to see. Anything you want to see, just let me know in the comment section down below. Share this video across social media, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!